Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Kelliher, Minnesota, a small town surrounded by forests, lakes, and farmland. This community was founded in the early 1900s as settlers moved north to build homes and start farms. Life in Kelliher has always been closely tied to the land, with fishing, hunting, and outdoor activities playing a big role. The nearby lakes and rivers make it a peaceful place to live or visit, and nature is never far away. Over the years, the town has kept its small town charm with friendly neighbors and a strong sense of community. Whether you're exploring the lakes or enjoying the trails, Kelliher offers a warm northern Minnesota welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kelliher, Minnesota. Thanks for watching!